Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to check upload and download speed of your internet using CMD. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to go to your browser. Just open any browser, like I will open here Edge browser, and after that go to the google.com and type over there Python, and now you have to click on this download button over there. And after that you will get this python.org download website. So you have to click on this download Python, which is the latest version, and after that click on save. So I will provide the link on my direct link on my video description, so you can also copy from my video description. And after download you have to click on run, and now here you will get a Python window. So you have to install Python on your computer. So make sure that you have checked this option, which is add Python 3.8 to path. Okay, and after that you have to click on this customize installation, and now you will get this window. So make sure that all this option is checked, and after that click on next, and click on next, and click on yes. Once the installation is completed successfully, you have to click on close, and now you have to go to your start menu and type over there CMD. Now click on command prompt, and after open command prompt you have to put few command over there. The command is called pip install speed test -cli. After that press enter from your keyboard. Once it is done, you have to put this command to check your upload and download speed, is called speedtest-cli. After that press enter. Now you can see your upload and download speed through your command prompt. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.